Hello, what's up? Today I'm about to do. I know I'll be fixing it in this episode because I had to try to test it. No parts to recap parts I probably, but the Gigabyte Black LC from 1990, I think. Concerns are one, is it in here? Hopefully it should be. Two, the battery. Like in an old Macs, and the batteries look like this. This is a new one that's still good. Like this. The ones from back then though tend to leak, and battery acid is corrosive and likes to destroy shit. So when you open the hood, make sure it's in here by order. And two, is the battery okay? Best case scenario, the battery is missing. Second best case scenario, it's there but it hasn't leaked yet. Third best case, limited damage. Worst case, the board is trashed. Well, I waited a week for this moment. I got here this morning. I paid $35 for the machine itself, and I paid $61 total. $61 total, which was just shipping and charges. Let's see what it's got. I get one, I'm sure. Alright, we're putting this up. There it is. Smaller than I thought it would be. That's what she said. I didn't go to box. And it's not very badly yellow either. It actually looks pretty good. Looks very good for it, exactly. For $35 too, this is machine stuff. Not bad. Wow. This thing looks amazing. Wow. For its age, this thing looks amazing. Not yellowed at all. Just how do I get the cover off it? See how that battery fared. I'm breathing them. Oh. Yes! Alright, okay. Right here is best fucking case ever. It hasn't done shit to it yet. Nice. Alright, cool. Best case scenario, the battery has not leaked at all. It's got hard up too. Oh. Oh. Okay, this is the best possible scenario. It's in great shape, no damage in shipping or beforehand, and it's not leaked at all. So, while we're in here, I'm gonna get that battery out with a tool I need to find. I guess not. So, $19.90, yep. Let's cover off for that. Right now. Yes, I do. the brake, got it off, and out you go. You. Yeah. Not a single drop at all. The RAM is in here. The hard drive, excuse me, there's a hard drive. I kind of doubt works, but yeah, we'll try it. And yeah, that is very important. That battery has not leaked at all. And the caps, they're dirty, but don't appear to have leaked yet either. Yeah, it's dirty, I mean, it's like dusty, but no, it seems fine. So, cool. Alright, this is actually a fucking steal for 35 bucks in this shape. And the bed has lit. This is amazing. Damn. This is one for the books. That was a score like hell. Yeah, I was willing to pay $50 for this thing. God, I am so happy to see that I had not looked at that right there. Seals the deal. This is a great idea. I wanted $50 for it, but I couldn't see inside of it. No pictures of it. I didn't want to bother asking them. They probably don't know about that kind of stuff more. Well, for $50 for the unit itself, I can't tell how kind of a shape the motherboard is in. Not something I'm willing to do. So I kind of waited a bit. I got have more machines like this. I want something of this age. You know, with turn it back on. It's a TDK crash line. Okay. I'm just looking at it real quick. So cool. Hopefully it works, but I don't know. That battery though was a huge plus. It did not do shit to this thing. That is good to see. So that is cool. That is cool. So yeah, they were $50 for this thing. I was like, I can't see a lot of word. That's a little concerning to me. So I hesitated. I was around a bit more. I guess this is me with the Philips iBook G3 too. That's offered me like a $5 off. I'm like, that's not enough for me. So I waited a bit. I kept seeing it and I thought, you know what, I'll throw $30. Let's see if they take it or not, right? My best offer. And later I got a counter offer of $35. I'm like, you know what, $5, fuck it, I'll take it. That works. And there it is. It did not leak, yes. I bet my biggest concern was this battery. So I waited it on, see if it bongs, but this, I know sometimes these go bad and I want to blow shit up. So I'm going to do some research so I can confirm that's okay before I, you know. Problem with testing these and the voltages though is that you run the load, it's not a good idea. So it may be something we'll fuck around and find out. I don't know yet. It's a hard drive in there now, which is cool too. I like to, I don't have a SCSI yet to have a USB after, sadly. Alright. Looks pretty damn clean. But yeah. Alright. I can end this video off here. I'll do some research on this some more. I'll show you this. Work things up. As I'm in the middle of my iBook G3 cleaning and restoration, so I need to that done first and then do this next. But yeah, this thing looks amazing, right? You know, for its age, the thing looks beautiful. So that is awesome to see. Alright, guess I'll enjoy you. Little unboxing. Wrap it up here. That's me, guys. Take it easy.